Okay, let's test this pedal. I haven't tested this yet. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Alright, see if I can keep the camera in the same orientation with this video so I don't have to edit as much. Previous video, this part, and I don't know, I just went on rambling. Figured I'd come down, check the continuity and resistance. I probably should just video that, but got me down to here, and then further down it was something like 0.3 something ohms. So it's pretty much just, you know, shorted out, little resistance down to a certain point. So I'll pause this, take the screw out, take this apart, and then start the video again. But I real quick just want to look here, and let's see if I can see it. There's a fan inside, yeah, it's not moving. You can see just the blade right there, the fan, and it's, when I flip it over, you can see it's in there moving now, but, so there's a loose fan in there, so that's kind of interesting. And the gal, young lady, she's really cool about detailing. Something inside there is falling apart, and you wouldn't notice it disassembling, so I'm kind of wondering what's all what. And interesting how these, that's wood right there. And I'm thinking, is that the brushes? Is that the brushes? And that's wood? You know, it's like, it's really wood. So that's kind of interesting. I'm like, what the Hamilton Beach 1917. So I thought this was a 1913 model. She also noted serial numbers. I have to look at the serial numbers online again. I haven't. Again, 28. So this might be something like 1918, 19, you know, or later. So okay, so I'm going to pause before I start rambling on. Okay, I hope this is right orientation still, because my timer's like upside down. So this unscrewed, came out, spread a little bit, spread this a little bit, and came out real easy, and then just popped right off, cover. I measured the resistance, put the multimeter on there, and interestingly, at first, these last two were giving me 2 readings, and all of a sudden they stopped. I'm like, what the hokey? I'm kind of looking, you know, oh, soldered, and as you see, the back came off. As I pulled up, I'm like, oh, what's on the other side? I'm like, ugh. Let's see, there we go, zoom that in. Yeah, that's, where's my finger at there? That's really corroded. So, that's, like, that just looks like bird poop or concrete or something. You know, that must have been asbestos or something to insulate it. And, yeah, that's, unless they somehow asbestos or something, that's, probably should put a mask on and throw that away. But the cool thing is, that's something. Like, this is literally, it's actually loose. That can come off. This is literally made to be rebuilt, repaired. So this ceramic piece, I don't know, almost looks like some of it's broken, but maybe it's supposed to go down a little bit. Let's see if I can zoom. This isn't flat, it kind of dips down on this side. So I don't know if that's corroded, eroded away, or what, but this is interesting though. It's designed like you almost could relay resistance coil of some sort in there. Suppose could be very picky trying to clean up and guesstimate what the diameter would be. Probably could even use the math of winding a certain section that diameter, get a measurement of the diameter, and just winding to go through and rewind that whole thing. But anyways, figured I'd document what it looks like on the inside. Super simple, interesting design. Oh, okay. Pausing, I'm going to try to get into the motor a little bit. Okay, I wound the tape, and there's a plug going to the, be so great, going to the motor. Not good connected there. So I think that alone, when I get a continuous connection that looks bad, I get a resistance that looks like 10, 15 ohms. So the motor might actually be good. It's not open, but that connection's bad. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop this, because I do need to disassemble the motor. I do. These are my hands. This is cracked, I see, but I don't notice anything else offhand, case-wise. It's bad, but there's a crack there. That fan's loose. The wire needs to be redone. And yeah, then I'll assess that motor a little more. Pedal though, ooh, that's yeah. I gotta think about that some more. That's, I don't know if the asbestos is good either. So I'm gonna have to assess that a little more. And as the gal was mentioning, the young lady was saying, maybe modify, get a stepper motor controller, maybe even a stepper motor, retrofitted into this box to have everything have that retro look. And I'm even wondering having a stepper motor in this motor, kind of hidden and be inside, to do the whole retro thing, keep it original but maybe a newer type design. Anyways, stay healthy, be safe, God bless, have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.